Hyundai Tucson NX4 headlamps, remove and install. To perform the removal and installation procedure of the headlamps on a Hyundai Tucson, follow these simple steps. We have prepared easy-to-follow illustrations that clearly demonstrate the process. Step 1. Disconnect the negative, battery terminal. Step 2. Remove the front bumper assembly. To learn more about this step, check out the link in the video description below. Step 3. Disconnect the headlamp connector. Step 4. Loosen the mounting bolts and then remove the headlamp assembly. If you need to replace the moisture-absorbing agent, you have to remove the front wheel guard, unfasten the screws, and then replace the moisture-absorbing agent. To install the headlight in Hyundai Tucson, follow the described steps in reverse order. Daytime running light, DRL, remove and install. To remove and install the daytime running light on a Hyundai Tucson NX4, simply follow these easy 3 steps. Step 1. Always remember that before starting any electrical work on your car, you must first disconnect the negative terminal from the 12V battery. Step 2. Locate and disconnect the daytime running light connector, as shown in the illustration. Step 3. Loosen the mounting bolts and remove the daytime running light. To reinstall the daytime running light in 2024 Hyundai Tucson, simply follow the removal steps in reverse order. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. In the comments, describe any difficulties you faced and whether you were able to solve the issue on your own.